Hello model railroaders. Welcome back to the layout. My name's Dave. Previous video I did a creation of a sound car, and this is how I wanted to utilize that car. I've got a Model Power Mikado unit, a 282, and I wanted to haul a logging train. And I think I'm probably at the maximum number of logging cars that this particular one will handle on flat, so we definitely won't be running that many when we create the hill logging run on the upper level in the future. But I just wanted to get this sound car out and about. I did a trial off camera on my test track with the loco pulling the sound car, and I had no dropouts in the sound. So that was very positive, I must say. I do believe when I was moving the sound car around with my finger in the previous video that I was probably pushing on it and lifting up the wheels on the one side, causing some of the cutouts. So let's bring this active and give it a bit of a run around the layout and see how it does. Now this Mikado unit does have a TCS decoder in the tender, and I'm not very happy with it because no matter what I do, it's got great slow speed, but at a certain throttle point the speed will jump up about 40 scale miles an hour. And I've tried all kinds of different things with the speed table and increasing the start speed, and that point just moves around a bit, but I can never get rid of it. So at some point as I increase the throttle, you're going to see the loco just pick up and almost double its speed. And there we go, that's the trip point. Now I did find a flaw in how I set up the wheel pickups, where I soldered the decoder wire onto each of the wheel pickups. It actually sticks down a bit, and it really does not like going over the switches, because that little bit of electrical contact that sticks down does grab the cross point, it seems, and I've got a bit of an issue there. I tried taking the loco out of the yard and it kept tripping a fault. So that's when I looked at it a little closer and I saw that they were hanging down a little too low. So I'm going to have to do some maneuvering of that pickup lead to get it to stop doing that, or order in better pickups and do a complete swap out. But at this point I just wanted to give the loco a trial, get it exercising, on the layout. A little bit, and share that with you that what I thought was initially a fail, at least in the forward direction. I'm going to zoom back out and move around the layout. At least in the forward direction, it seems that the Loco does just fine. As far as having the sound car keep contact. So, oh, there's a drop. First drop, so that's not too bad at all. Now I did run the cleaning car around, the vacuum car and the cleaning car, so I'm very confident that the track is as clean as it's going to get. So we'll just have to look into other options. So at this point, I will say have a great week, and hopefully you get to spend some time on your layout. Talk to you later on the next video.